In this video, we're going to talk about the Amazon rainforest. Now, this is more than just a spot on a map. It's honestly one of the Earth's greatest natural wonders. It's a world of incredible scale that's absolutely vital to our entire planet. We're going to dive into the mystery, the life, and the breathtaking beauty that makes the Amazon so unique. Just look at this. Imagine an endless sea of emerald green, a living carpet of treetops that just stretches on, further than your eyes can see. This isn't just a forest, it's a colossal breathing ecosystem, so vast, it's kind of hard to even wrap your head around it. It really is a world of its own, and when you're faced with something this huge, the question is, where do you even begin? Well, I think the only way to start is by trying to get a handle on its sheer scale, where it is, and just how big it really is. Okay, so first things first, let's put this giant on the map. To really understand the Amazon, we have to start by getting our heads around its sheer incredible size and where it sits in the world. You see, the Amazon isn't just in one country. It's this massive continental forest that sprawls across 9 different nations in South America. Brazil holds the lion's share, about 60%. But other countries like Peru and Colombia also have these huge vital chunks of the forest. So let's talk numbers for a second. The Amazon rainforest covers 5.5 million square kilometers. To try and put that into perspective for you, that's roughly the size of the entire continental United States. It's an almost impossible scale to truly imagine. But you know, the Amazon isn't just defined by its land. Not at all. To really get it, you have to look at its lifeblood. This massive, winding river system that basically acts like the veins of the rainforest. And we're not just talking about one river here. It's a colossal network. We're talking over 1,100 smaller rivers or tributaries, all flowing into the main Amazon River. It's that combined power that makes the Amazon the largest river on the entire planet by the sheer volume of water it moves. And a lot of these tributaries are absolute giants in their own right. I mean, besides the main Amazon River itself, which stretches for about 6,400 kilometers, you've got behemoths like the Madeira and the Negro rivers. Each one is a massive waterway, carving its own epic path right through the jungle. And this leads to one of the most surreal things you can see in the Amazon, the meeting of the waters. This is where the dark, almost black, water of the Negro River meets the sandy, lighter-colored Amazon River. And because they have totally different temperatures, speeds, and densities, they flow side by side for kilometers without mixing. It looks like 2 different worlds in one river channel. It's wild. All right, we've covered the land, we've covered the water, now let's explore the life that fills it all up. This is where the Amazon's reputation for just mind-boggling variety really comes to life. I want you to just let this sink in for a moment. 1 in 10 known species in the world lives in the Amazon rainforest. That is a staggering, almost unbelievable concentration of life in just one region. And the diversity is just spectacular. You got everything from these tiny, jewel-like poison dart frogs, their bright colors are literally a warning sign to predators, to these brilliant hummingbirds that zip through the air like little flashes of iridescent green and orange. And this incredible, intricate beauty is just everywhere you look. From butterflies with wings that look like they were hand-painted, to these bizarre, almost otherworldly flowers that seem like they were designed by an artist. Every single square meter is a showcase of evolution's creativity. And the numbers behind all that beauty, well, they are just astonishing. We're talking about an estimated 2.5 million species of insects, over 40,000 types of plants, 3,000 different freshwater fish, more than 1,300 species of birds, and 427 species of mammals. It is, without a doubt, the richest tropical forest in the entire world. So this is all fascinating, right? But why does it actually matter to all of us, beyond just being beautiful? In this next part, we'll explore why the Amazon is truly a global treasure, essential to the health of our planet and our own lives. You've probably heard the Amazon called by its famous nickname, right? The lungs of the earth. But this isn't just some poetic metaphor. It's a fundamental truth about how our planet works. I mean, the Amazon's global contribution is just staggering. Think about this. The oxygen from every 5th breath you take is produced by this one forest. It's not just a home for 10% of all known species and 1 in 5 of the world's birds. It's literally an engine for the very air we all need to survive. And the Amazon gives us so much more. So many of the foods we enjoy every day, like coffee, chocolate, and bananas, actually came from here. It's a source for critical medicines. Get this, 70% of plants with anti-cancer properties are found only in rainforests. And on top of that, it holds valuable resources like timber and rubber, and even deposits of oil and gas. So, with a treasure this vast and this important, how can we actually connect with it? In our final section, we'll look at how you can experience the Amazon before we share a few fascinating facts that reveal some of its hidden secrets. Oh yeah, for adventurous travelers, there are some absolutely amazing ways to see the rainforest. You can take river cruises, stay deep in the jungle at these remote lodges, go on guided walks to spot wildlife, take canoe trips through winding tributaries, or even visit and learn from the indigenous communities who call the Amazon home. And just to leave you with a real sense of its wonder, here are 5 incredible facts. First, the forest canopy is so thick that a single raindrop can take 10 full minutes to reach the ground. Deep inside the forest, about 50 indigenous tribes still live with no contact with the outside world. Here's a surprising one. The floor of an old-growth forest is actually pretty open and dark, which means a flashlight is often more useful than a machete. This is an ancient place. It's existed for at least 55 million years. And finally, in a truly global connection, dust from the Sahara Desert in Africa is literally carried by the wind across the ocean, and it provides essential fertilizer for the Amazon soil. How cool is that? But all this leaves us with a really crucial and pretty urgent question. In just the last 40 years, nearly 20% of this forest has been lost, forever. It really forces all of us to wonder, how can we possibly protect this vital global treasure for the future? Alright, that is it for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.